5 mysterious alien worlds you didn't know existed. Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to talk about some weird and mysterious planets that are out there. So buckle up and let's go. No. 5. The Gloomy Planet. This planet is so far away from its star that it's covered in ice. It was discovered in 2003 by NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope, and it's located in the constellation of Taurus, the Bull. It's about 450 light-years from Earth, and because it's so far away from its star, the temperature on the surface of this planet is about 100 degrees Celsius. But if you could somehow melt all the ice on this planet, it would make a pretty great place to live. It has an atmosphere that is mostly made up of nitrogen, and it has a lot of methane in it. Methane is what makes this planet's sky turn a reddish color. The gravity on this planet is also pretty low, so you would feel lighter than you do on Earth. But there is one thing that sucks about this planet. It doesn't have a name. Scientists have not been able to come up with a good name for this planet yet, but they have given it a very creative nickname. They call it the Gloomy Planet. Do you think that's depressing? Wait until you hear about our next planet. Number 4. The Hidden Planet. This planet is so mysterious that we don't even know if it really exists. It's thought to be orbiting a star called Sigma Draconis, which is located in the constellation of Draco the Dragon. This star is about 500 light-years from Earth. But here's where things get weird. For a long time, scientists were not sure if the star Sigma Draconis had any planets at all. Then in 2009, they started to notice that the stars seemed to be wobbling a little bit. This meant that something was orbiting around the star, but they couldn't see what it was. In 2012, they finally got a good look at the object that was orbiting the star, and they were surprised to see that it was not a planet at all. It was a brown dwarf. A brown dwarf is basically a failed star. It's something that looks like a planet, but it's actually more like a small star. So if you ever see a brown dwarf in the sky, make sure to stay far away from it. No. 3. The Never-Ending Planet. This planet is so big that it never stops raining. It is located in the constellation of Aquarius, the water bearer, and it is about 750 light-years from Earth. This planet is almost twice the size of Jupiter, and because it's so big, it has a very strong gravitational pull. This means that once something gets close to this planet, it can't escape. The pressure on this planet is so high that it literally rains sideways. The rain on this planet is so strong that it can last for months without stopping. There have been times when astronauts have gotten stuck on this planet, and they had to wait for the rain to stop before they could leave. So if you're ever near this planet, make sure to bring an umbrella. No. 2. The Alien Ocean Planet. This planet is so mysterious that we don't even know what kind of planet it is. It was discovered in 2002 by a team of astronomers led by David Charbonneau. It is located in the constellation of Cancer, the Crab, and it is about 1,000 light-years from Earth. What makes this planet so strange is that it seems to have an ocean. The planet is about the size of Jupiter, but it is 10 times more massive than Jupiter. Scientists think that this planet is made up mostly of hydrogen and helium, like most gas giants. But they're not sure how it could have an ocean. One theory is that the ocean is made up of liquid metal. Now that's just gross. Another theory is that the ocean is made up of diamonds. That's kind of cool. But either way, we don't know much about this planet because it is so far away. We can only observe it from Earth when it passes between its star and us. And that only happens once every 16 days. So we have very limited time to study this planet. Number 1. The planet that can't stop burping. This planet is so mysterious that scientists are not sure if it is real or not. It was first seen in 2017 by the Hubble Space Telescope. It is located in the constellation of Andromeda, the Chained Woman, and it is about 400 light-years from Earth. The reason why this planet is so mysterious is that it seems to be burping. Every time the planet passes in front of its star, it gives off a giant burst of gas. Scientists are not sure what is causing this burping, but they think it could be due to some kind of volcanic activity on the planet. It could also be caused by the planet's magnetic field. Whatever the cause may be, this planet is definitely one of the most unique planets that we have ever seen. In conclusion, space is a vast and mysterious place, and there are many things that we still don't understand. The 5 planets I just told you about are just a small sampling of the many strange and mysterious planets that exist in our universe. Who knows what other weird and wonderful worlds are out there waiting to be discovered? Maybe one day you will be the one to discover a new planet and you can name it after yourself. Just make sure to choose a good name. Now it's your turn to share your thoughts. Which of these planets did you find the most interesting? Do you believe in aliens? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye! You want to keep watching? Here's another video you might like. Or here's another video you might like. Click to subscribe.